Okay, now we'll see the example on the switch statement. This is syntax. Okay, switch case we have to give, that is switch word, and then this is the integer or a character. So this is, these two will be matched. If these two will be matches, then I have to, these two will be matches. It means this and this. Then I have to execute the this block of statements. Okay, for example, so this and this will matches, then what I have to execute, I have to execute the case 2 statements, nothing but a block 2. Okay, like that, in this way I have to execute the all the mean case 1 or case 2 or case 3, not all cases. Okay, okay, I'll take example. So I'm taking one example directly. So okay, go to turbo seekers. So okay, alt enter, I'm maximizing, this is the example. So what is the file name is www.c. So function key F5. So update some program hash include stdio.h. So and then add hash include conio.h. Okay, you add this. So add void main. So here I am taking the some integer I equal to 1. Okay. So and then you have to use switch. Okay. So and then I am taking cases here. So case 1. Updating the program. So and then like this. Okay, this is the program. Okay, now you see here. So what is I equal to 1? So how it is going to execute? First of all, this is what header file section. Okay, stdio, and then conio means it is console input output. Okay, now coming to the main is mandatory. So this is the opening of the C programming language. So I have to add one more. So closing of the C programming language. Okay, now coming to, this is our concept. Okay, this is our concept. Now what it is, I equal to 1. Okay, so then here I equal to 1 is taken, then where it is matching, for the case 1. Okay, so case 1 is matching, then what I have to execute the print a, this I have to execute. Okay, now we'll see what will happen. Now I'm adding a break, then I will take without break also, I'll show the output. So for all case you add the break. Okay, break. So like finally add default also. Default statement also, default block also you have to add. Okay, you write here. So printf no statements are matching. Okay, in this way you have to add semicolon. Now run the, okay, you add clrs here, add clrs here for convenient purpose. Okay, clr ser I'm adding here, semicolon. Now run the program. Actually, what can you tell what will be the output? So I equal to 1. I equal to 1 into integer variable. So here what is I? I is the 1. Then which I have to, what it is matching? So this one and this one are matching. It means what? I have to execute this statement. I have to print a. Why? Because so here the I equal to 1 is matching with case 1. Okay, 1 and 1 matching. Then I have to execute the print of a. Break means what? Don't execute remaining cases. That is what break. Okay, simply come to the end of the switch statement. Okay, run the program. So alt F, save the program, alt F, compile the program. So alt F and then run the program. See the output. What is the output? Alt F5. So A is the output. Okay, now what you take, in the place of I you take 2, I mean 1. you take 2, I equal to 2. Now what is matching? Okay, so I equal to 2 here, I equal to 2. Then 1 and 2 are not matching. See the cursor? 1 and 2 are not matching. Then which is matching? So this is matching. Case 2, 2 and 2. Then what I have to execute? Execute the, so print B. So then what? After printing every B, I have to break everything. Okay, now run the program again. So whenever you update, what you have to do? You have to save the program. So Alt F, save you, Alt F. So compile the program. So Alt F and then so run the program. So see the output, Alt F5 key. So B is the output. Okay. Now what you do? Don't take a break. So already I told, if you want to delete or how to delete, don't delete the data break. Simply make deactive. How to make it deactivate? Simply give the comment. I'm giving comment here. Okay, I'm giving a comment here. So again I'm giving the comment here. Okay, now we'll see what is now we'll see what is the output. Okay, so it means what? So everything it is going to execute. Okay, so why? Because okay, here I'm taking I equal to 1. Now we'll see what is the output. Alt F, save, Alt F, compile, Alt F, and then run the program. Now see the output. See, I'm okay. You take printf, you take new line, so the output will be clear for you. So slash n here, slash n here. So slash n here. Now you see the output. What is the output? Alt F, save the program. Alt F, compile the program. Alt F, so run the program. Now see the output. So all are printing. Even though I equal to 1, I am printing A. So B is printing, C is printing, even default also it is printing. So that is the importance of the break. Now you take break. See the difference. How to make active? Simply delete the comment. Now it is activated. So it is activated. It is activated now. Now see the output. So what will be the output? I equal to 1 means what? So I have to print A. Why? Because those two are matching. Okay, what those two are matching? Here I equal to 1. So 1 and 1 matching. I have to print A. Now we'll see the output. Alt F, save the program. Alt F, so compile. Alt F, so run the program. See the output. So I'm printing A. Now what you take? Don't take any number. Don't take I equal to 1. You take I equal to 4. Okay, you take I equal to 4 now. So then what? So 4, so I equal to what? 4 and 1 not matching. I equal to 4. 4 and 2 not matching. 4 and 3 not matching. So nothing is matching. Then what I have to print? I have to print the so default statement. Then what? So Alt F, save, Alt F, compile, Alt F. Now run the program. Now see the output. So no statements are matching. So that is all about the switch statement. Now we'll take one more example very fast. Okay, see the example. I'm taking a simple calc. This is the program. How to copy the program? How to copy the program? So Control C. So open the notepad. So file, new tab, Control V. You save as this PC, C drive, and then turbo C3, and then bin. So give some name as w2.c. That is the file name. Select all files. Okay, then save. Now go to turbo C. So alt enter. What is the file name? Alt F. Open sw2.c. This is my file name. Okay, how to update the program? Okay, so update the program. So we have to remove these numbers. Okay, now this is the program. There are some numbers are there. Okay. Okay, now run the first see the program. So maximize the screen. It is Alt F5. So undo you add, do some updations. You add CLR SCR, CLR SCR. So semicolon. Now first run the program. Alt F, save, Alt F, compile the program. So Alt F, so run the program. So I am entering plus, enter. So 1 space 2, output equal to 3. So it is 3.0. Okay, now see the program. So what is this? This is the operation. It is a variable. Okay, so I'm taking it to float, nothing but a double float. It means n1 and n2 are the floating point numbers. So then what? So here I am taking the so character. It may be plus, it may be minus, it may be multiplication, it may be division. Okay, it is a character. So then what? So I am taking two numbers here. Okay, I am taking two numbers. So one is n1 and then n2. Okay, now you see here. So this is what our main concept. Okay, so if I take plus, what will happen? It is going to match with the this thing. Okay, then what I have to done? I have to do the addition of two numbers. Then break means what? Don't execute below statements. These statements don't execute. Okay, directly come to the end of the switch statement. That's what. If I take operation equal to minus. Okay, if I take operation equal to minus, it means here. If I take operation equal to minus, it means I take minus. Then what I have to match with the second case, that is case this minus and here both are matched. Then I have to execute the subtraction of the two numbers. That is all about the case. Okay, run the program. Alt F, save, Alt F. Okay, compile the program. Alt F. Now run the program. Now you take a multiplication symbol. Okay, star I am taking. Then enter two operands. 3 space 4, which is equal to 12. So then this will be the output. Now tell me what it is matching. Here I am taking, okay, in the place of operation, what I am taking, operation variable, I am taking the multiplication symbol. Now where it is matching, it is matching with the here. Then what I'm executing the multiplication of the two symbols. Okay, that is all about the switch statement. Okay.